Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 inter network character access denied. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in the search box type a control panel, open control panel, and after opening the control panel click on a network and sharing center. After that click on a change advanced sharing centers, and after doing this add expand the all network, click on it. On the password protecting sharing section, turn off password protection sharing, click on save changings and close it. After that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.